Halo Fall's 3-in-1 waterfall, Bluetooth speakers, and shade lamp is an innovative piece designed to enhance your space with its multifunctional features. This captivating device combines the soothing sounds of flowing water, high-quality Bluetooth speakers, and a soft shade lamp, all in one compact design. The mini waterfall brings a tranquil ambiance to any room, creating a relaxing atmosphere with the sound of gently cascading water. Compact and stylish, this 3-in-1 device serves as both a functional and aesthetic addition to any room. The Hybrid M chair is designed to transform your seating experience into something extraordinary, combining relaxation and productivity in one sleek package. Perfect for gamers and professionals, this chair offers a revolutionary solution to alleviate the aches and strains caused by extended sitting sessions. Incorporating a built-in massage module, the Hybrid M brings immediate comfort with its innovative design. No cords, no limitations, just pure freedom to enjoy a personalized massage experience anytime, anywhere. Whether you're parked deep in the desert or camped by a winding trail, this rugged shower system brings the comfort of home to the wild. Designed for off-grid simplicity, it delivers a powerful waterfall spray with a remarkable 596 square inches of coverage. Enough to rinse off thick mud, salt water, or trail dust in seconds. Activate the flow with a single tap. No fiddling, no hassle. The 5.3-gallon reservoir holds enough for up to 5 full showers, making it ideal for small groups or extended trips. Crafted for those who move with purpose, the O-Clip Ultra delivers performance in a compact 2.09-inch form. This isn't just a pocket light, it's a triple-function powerhouse. With a 530 lumen output, it transforms from a broad floodlight to a precision spotlight, and even a UV beam for detailed inspection. Whether clipped to your backpack, brim, collar, or pocket, the dual-direction clip and ultra-slim profile keep it secure and accessible. Staying active doesn't require a full home gym or a dedicated room anymore. The Walking Pad. A1 Pro makes fitness accessible in tight spaces, merging sleek engineering with modern tech. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, this folding treadmill slips neatly under desks, beds, or couches once your walk is done. It supports a maximum user weight of 300 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of users. Designed for those who demand comfort without compromising on portability, the Argo Twister reimagines what an ergonomic mouse can be. Its vertical form reshapes your interaction with technology, guiding your hand into a naturally upright posture that promotes movement from the arm instead of the wrist. The rounded structure, combined with intentional thumb and pinky support, delivers a stable and effortless grip throughout long work sessions. Engineered with flexibility in mind, the Argo Twister suits both left and right-handed users. The Meraki Ultimate Espresso Machine redefines the coffee experience, combining cutting-edge technology and craftsmanship to deliver perfect espresso with every cup. Engineered with a Time More co-engineered grinder, this machine ensures a consistent, precise grind that enhances the flavor extraction. The rotary pump allows for stable pressure, ensuring your coffee is brewed to perfection every time, whether you're making a single shot or a full cup. Introducing the world's first energy recovery and electronic brake leash, a revolutionary innovation that combines advanced technology with pet safety. This leash is equipped with KERS charging, harnessing kinetic energy from your pet's movements to recharge its battery, ensuring it stays powered up for longer outings. The electronic emergency braking system enhances safety by providing instant stopping power, protecting both the pet and owner from potential hazards. The Spacetop G1 redefines the concept of portable computing, blending augmented reality with practical functionality. Unlike traditional laptops, the Spacetop G1 uses a pair of AR glasses linked to a minimalist keyboard and trackpad. These glasses create a virtual 100-inch screen that floats in the real world, eliminating the need for a physical display. This innovation lets users work without the restrictions of cramped spaces, making it ideal for travelers or those constantly on the go. Step onto precision with LeFou, where science meets simplicity in every weigh-in. This isn't your average bathroom scale. It's an intelligent health monitor powered by 8 precision electrodes. Each step activates a full-body analysis, diving deeper than just pounds and ounces. It tracks 58 different body data metrics, including visceral fat, metabolic age, body water, protein rate, and muscle mass. Feel the freedom of movement and immerse yourself in pure sound with Huawei FreeArc, meticulously shaped for a secure and airy fit. Crafted with a soft S-curve ear hook, it offers open ear comfort without sacrificing stability, keeping you cool even through intense workouts thanks to its sweat-absorbent design. The optimal 140-degree triangular support ensures they stay firmly anchored, while the lightweight S-curve reduces tragus pressure for a stable, ergonomic fit. Forged for environments too treacherous for traditional machines, the Lynx M20 fuses wheeled agility with legged precision to navigate where others fail. This next-generation mobile robot redefines terrestrial mobility, bridging the gap between speed and dexterity. On smooth surfaces, it glides on wheels at speeds up to 11.2 miles per hour. When terrain turns hostile, rubble, stairs, wetland, or steep slopes, the M20 locks its wheels and switches to a walking gait. The Jidor Pad selfie screen is the game changer you didn't know you needed. As an all-in-one solution for selfies, content creation, and vlogging, this tool reshapes the way you capture life's best moments. Offering sharp, high-definition visuals and impressive lighting control, the Jidor Pad selfie screen takes your photos and videos to the next level. Its ability to deliver optimal angles and flawless framing means no more awkward shots or off-center captures. Unfold a world of interactivity right on your table with the Alight Cube Smart Projector. Roughly the size of a soda can and weighing just under 1 pound, this portable powerhouse transforms any flat surface into a vibrant 32-inch touchscreen. From the classroom to the kitchen, from creative workspaces to game night, Alight opens up new dimensions of productivity and play with intuitive touch controls and cutting-edge AI recognition. With every glance through the lens, Envision reshapes what binoculars can do, bridging nature and cosmos, daylight and starlight. Designed by Unistellar, the minds behind the revolutionary smart telescopes, Envision is your field guide by day and astronomer by night. These 10 by 50 millimeter smart binoculars combine a Poro-style build with advanced augmented reality to display real-time information overlaid on the natural world. No internet required. The EasyPlay 1S is a compact and versatile music keyboard designed for both beginners and experienced musicians. Its 25-key 3x5 layout provides a convenient and portable option for creating music on the go. Additionally, the EasyPlay 1S offers an impressive 8 hours of continuous playtime, making it a reliable choice for extended sessions, whether you're practicing, composing, or performing. Wherever you are, at home, on the road, or mid-travel, your health shouldn't wait. The BMO 4-in-1 Multiscan delivers real-time health insights in the palm of your hand, helping you care for your family or yourself with accuracy and speed. Built with 4 advanced medical-grade sensors, this compact handheld tool monitors temperature, cardiovascular, and respiratory systems, and supports telehealth integration, giving you a complete health snapshot in under 60 seconds. BMO goes beyond temperature checks. Record a full 1-lead ECG in just 30 seconds to detect arrhythmias like AFib, then share it instantly via HealthLink for a specialist review. Available within 24 hours. The COR Pump is a powerful and compact solution designed to elevate your kitesurfing experience. With a maximum output of 15 psi, it ensures fast inflation, reducing pump time by up to 50%. Its travel size design makes it convenient for carrying to your next adventure. Whether you're heading to the beach or the lake, this pump is ideal for all types of kites, paddleboards, and even car tires, offering versatility in one portable package. Immersive clarity, uncompromising color accuracy, and true portability converge in the Pepper Jobs X10 Touch Pro, a 15.6-inch 4K AMOLED portable monitor crafted for professionals who demand precision. Whether you're color grading in a remote studio, refining edits in a cafe, or presenting sharp visuals on site, the X10 Touch Pro delivers ultra-deep blacks, vibrant tones, and unrivaled detail, all packed in a slim, travel-friendly frame. In small apartments or tight spaces, growing your own food shouldn't feel impossible. That's exactly why this streamlined indoor garden was engineered, to bring yield and versatility into even the narrowest corners. With a sleek footprint and an innovative expandable design, it supports 12+ plants without the bulky frame of traditional models. Most systems with similar output eat up over 5 times the floor space, but here, thoughtful architecture redefines what compact gardening means. Introducing the Lightbox, an unparalleled fusion of style and innovation, where eco-friendly materials meet cutting-edge technology. Crafted with Danish design principles and premium craftsmanship, this wood projector sets a new standard for home entertainment. With a giant screen experience up to 180 inches, it transforms any room into a personal theater. The patent-pending Smart Flip technology allows for seamless vertical displays, offering flexibility for all viewing angles. The Singer heavy-duty 4452 sewing machine offers a seamless blend of power, precision, and convenience designed for those seeking a reliable tool for crafting and garment creation. Powered by a stronger motor, it delivers enhanced piercing power, enabling you to sew through multiple layers and thicker fabrics with ease. Whether you're working with denim, leather, or quilting materials, this machine can handle it all. With 110 stitch applications, you can explore a wide range of sewing techniques to bring your creative ideas to life. Winding through wooded trails or slicing across open pavement, the One-Wheel Pint S offers an electrifying ride few vehicles can match. The sensation is unique. Part hovercraft, part board sport, all intensity. It's not just a skateboard with a motor. The Pint S takes more from snowboarding than scooting, and demands more attention and respect from its rider. At its core is a self-balancing electric motor that delivers surprising torque, and the board responds not with handlebars or throttles, but with the lean of your body. The MLR Digital Kitchen Food Scale offers precision and convenience, ideal for baking, cooking, or meal prepping. With a maximum capacity of 22 pounds, it ensures accurate weight measurements for both large and small quantities. Its chargeable LED display provides clear and bright readings in ounces and grams, making it easy to use in any kitchen environment. The scale is equipped with a USB-C rechargeable battery, ensuring long-lasting power without the need for frequent battery replacements. The LilyGo T-Keyboard S3 is a versatile and compact development board that brings an impressive array of features tailored for developers and enthusiasts. With 4 magnetic connectors featuring quick connects, it ensures seamless connectivity and easy integration with various modules. This flexibility is enhanced by 5 screens, with the option to replace the 5th screen position with a rotary encoder for expanded control. Health technology takes a bold step forward with a device that doesn't just track, it transforms. The Ringcon Gen 2 Smart Ring is more than a fitness tracker. It's a health companion built on precision, comfort, and innovation. Engineered in collaboration with top universities and hospitals, it offers advanced sleep apnea detection using AI. Real-time AHI readings help you understand your sleep health without bulky gear or wires. Sleek surfaces deserve better than smudges. Jiffies step up as precision cleaners, small but powerful pads designed to banish fingerprints, oily streaks, and smears from the places you touch most. Whether it's a stainless steel fridge, a foggy bathroom mirror, your smartphone screen, or glasses, Jiffies handle the job without scratching or leaving residue. The amzn.to Tiny 2 Lite is a compact yet powerful webcam designed to elevate your video streaming and communication experience. Equipped with a 4K resolution, it delivers stunning clarity for any video conference, meeting, or content creation. The advanced AI tracking ensures that you remain in the frame at all times, making it ideal for dynamic presentations or live streaming. This camera also features pan-tilt-zoom functionality, providing you with flexible control over your angles for a more engaging viewer experience. For professionals and creators seeking refined utility without compromise, the Kokushu X36 Pro Max redefines iPad usability with purpose-built precision. This magnetic charging stand isn't just a holder, it's a stable workstation, a charging hub, and an ergonomic assistant engineered to elevate productivity. Made from CNC machined aluminum alloy, the frame features 7 adjustable joints and supports both horizontal and vertical viewing. Whether you're sketching, editing, or typing, every angle is tailored to support your workflow. The DJI Osmo Mobile 7 is an advanced gimbal stabilizer designed to enhance your smartphone videography experience. Featuring a robust 3-axis stabilization system, this gimbal ensures smooth, professional-grade footage even during movement. Whether capturing fast-paced action or cinematic panning shots, the Osmo Mobile 7 guarantees steady results with minimal effort. Its ultra-light ergonomic design offers a comfortable grip, making it ideal for extended shooting sessions without fatigue. In a world where attention is currency, the Balance Phone redefines what a smartphone should be for your child. Engineered on the reliable Samsung A16 foundation, it delivers only what's essential. No noise, no traps, no endless scrolling. It's not just a phone, it's a healthy introduction to digital life. The Balance Phone cultivates focus, independence, and safety from the start, offering you peace of mind and your child a tool that supports, not disrupts, their development. In an unexpected leap beyond convention, Kawasaki has unveiled the Corleo, a revolutionary quadrupedal motorcycle that mirrors the stature and movement of a massive robotic canine. Revealed during an auto exhibition in Osaka, Japan, the Corleo defies traditional vehicle design with its biomechanical legs replacing standard wheels. Engineered to stride with precision, each of its 4 articulated limbs features paw-like structures and dynamic joints, allowing the machine to adapt across uneven terrain, climb hills, and maintain stability on rugged landscapes. Lightweight doesn't have to mean limited, and the foldable origami mouse proves it. Built with precision and minimalism in mind, this portable powerhouse weighs in at under 1.41 ounces, making it one of the lightest full-function mice in its category. It's designed to vanish into your travel kit or work bag with zero bulk,